is Roberto Rosa. I'm a senior surveyor with MPC and I've been working with MPC for about a year. Well, today we're working with Julian and we're doing a topographic survey with a drone using drone technology, which is a combination of GPS and photographs. With this drone, we're going to create an image and also a 3D model of certain areas that we want to keep track of and see how they are progressing during time. This information helps us keep track of what's going on month to month, and that way we can have an idea of how we're moving forward in our schedule.